Why a brainstorm? What is a brainstorm? A brainstorm is 30 to 90 minutes typically, but if things are hot and it's rolling longer, it goes longer. It includes a tour, and it's all about a good fit and understanding your project and being a good guide. What clients have found to work the best is to be in person, hands down the best. But if time or travel is a constraint, then we've had really good luck with Zoom and the video calls, that sort of thing. Okay, let's talk about the tour. Josh, he gives a great tour. He covers the detail. He can speed it up for you or slow it down depending on your level of interest. And a lot of people really want to understand what goes into these projects that they're thinking about doing. So you're gonna see wood up close. You'll be able to feel the wood. You'll see the wood being milled, see workers. It's really a lot of fun.
During your brainstorm, you're going to get a good idea as to the differences between hybrid timber framing and conventional timber framing. You'll have a good idea as to what you can expect for your home and how much your timbers are going to cost, or at least a good range. We'll be discussing your expectations for your home. Number one, we'll be discussing how timbers dry and whether or not there's a difference between boxed heart drying versus free of heart center drying. We'll be discussing different wood species and the colors that are available for those different wood species. We don't believe in high pressure sales. What we really want to do is to make sure that we're a right fit for you and that you are a right fit for us.
Who should attend the brainstorm? Well, if you are the driving force and other parties aren't interested and you just can't get them to come, that's fine. But the best results come when anyone influencing your decision heavily is involved. And this is because of a good fit. If they can see what's going on, how we roll, the products, the models, the whole piece of the conversation, they will help you make your choice for a good fit. That's the most important thing about this whole brainstorm, is a good fit. When people come to these brainstorms, they come in stages from A to Z. Sometimes they have no idea really what they want, and we're helping being guides to formulate a full floor plan. Sometimes they bring floor plans in. We always want some sort of inspiration photo, at least a description of how the journey got started, where the interest perked, these sort of things. If you own property, that's incredibly important as well. All of these things that are gonna fit into this whole pot that we're gonna stir and mix and make a recipe for you. So another reason why people find brainstorms so beneficial is they're taking time to find answers that are already in their own head, and we are facilitating that by having a set time where we meet, so then you have focus. We're also asking expertise questions that others have wrestled with, and also saying, well, if you're more wired this way, then you get this. This might be a better choice. So there's expert guidance, and the time you set aside with your focus, we're just fishing these answers right out of your own head. And you're getting clarity, you're getting guidance, and you're getting momentum. Okay, you've had your brainstorm, you understand what kind of investment you're looking for, you've had the tour, and you've had a couple nights of sleep on it, maybe a few weeks. You decide that, okay, Arrow is going to be the best horse to ride here. It's a good fit. Next is a deposit that is going to go towards your timbers, and your design, the fun part, is built into the cost of the timbers. That's how we do it. So you get unlimited design until you are happy. And it's a lot of fun for us, even if it's a challenging design. And sometimes the ones we have to work the hardest on are the most rewarding. Of course, it's rewarding to just hit it out of the park the first time. Either way, it's gonna be fun for you, it's gonna be fun for us. Welcome aboard.
Okay, to book a brainstorm with Arrow Timber Framing and the sales team, all you need to do is give us a phone call. You can find that phone number on the website or our Google local page. Go to arrowtimber.com, and if you don't want to give a call and maybe just send an email, do that on the contact page on the website. If you're not quite ready for a brainstorm yet, I would highly recommend you take a look at our book, The Art of Hybrid Timber Framing. You're going to find info on the website about that. And you can also fill out a timber style finder quiz on the website that'll kind of get you keyed in on your favorite styles, and then we can move forward from there. aerotimber.com/contact, get in touch.